I'm Julia and this is my husband Hamish. We live in Kaikōura with our 3 kids, Lily, Gus and Louie.
We love it here. It's a great place to bring up kids.
It's been a journey that we went on to get to this finished point. I really like the modern, minimalistic design of the house. Pretty much all about the views. So my tip for a new build would be to take your time with the design and make sure it aligns with your vision, with your needs. We work with Mike from Moa Design. He's amazing and obviously couldn't have done it without him. We use Hardie groove to differentiate between the ceiling and the walls. I really loved using that product because it kind of dresses the wall and goes really well with the design of the house. The build took about a year from start to finish. I project managed the build in collaboration with the trades and our builder.
We have really no plan on moving anytime soon.